Today we're going to do a video of our Manford CV175. Run the spindle in low gear. It's 170 RPM. It's 250. It's 450. Change over to high. There's about 3,000. 1,500. About 1,000. Run the x-axis on the table. Nice and quiet. Y. Nice and quiet. And the quill readout. That's it. Thank you for watching.